Good morning. Now we're gonna go explore Lake Tahoe, but first, some breakfast at the old post office cafe. Let's go check it out. Oh, he's recording me. I'm recording him. How about that? Whoopah. We're walking down to Emerald Bay. We're gonna go see the lower and upper waterfalls. Here we are getting close to the lower falls. Very impressive. All that noise you hear, you ready? Bam. Just kidding. We're still a ways down before we get to the falls. We're getting closer to the Eagle Lower Falls. We can hear the water, and wow, it is amazing. Check this out. Definitely worth the walk. Lunchtime. I guess after that 2-hour hike, it's time for lunch.
Una ensalada, arugula, goat cheese, candy, walnuts y manzana.
Margarita.
Ahora sí que se está poniendo soleado.
Here we are in South Lake Tahoe, and there's a nice little car show, antique car show that we bumped into on our way to Heavenly Donuts, which we haven't found. But look at that Chevelle. Oh my gosh, that's my baby. We're going to Heavenly Donuts, but this area you can get a gondola during the summer for like $53. It's expensive. And go up. There's a viewpoint up there of the whole Lake Tahoe that you could check out. They have as well zip lining and a roller coaster type of ride, like bobsled type, that you could do. So if you're ever over here and you want to check it out. These are the Heavenly Donuts. Right here, the gondola, and right next to it is the donuts stand.
Ay, Leida. Leida se ve que hace tiempo no hace skip.
Oh, opa. Dale.